Hello students, let's explore the world of English language and literature with Bharti Arora. Today we are going to talk about somebody very humble, a very humble personality, Ruskin Bond, India's beloved storyteller, an Indian author with British descent who lives in the Queen of Hills, Mussoorie. He played the lead role in recognizing the true worth of children's literature. And in fact, he explored the children's mind in such a way that no other writer could. He won many literary awards like Sahitya Academy Award, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, etc. In fact, when he won Sahitya Academy Award, he was really into a financial crisis, and that award, that money, helped him a lot in becoming financially stable and also earned him name and fame in the field of English literature. Now I am going to tell you his 5 most popular books. First one, The Room on the Roof. You know when he wrote this? He wrote this at the age of 17. Can you believe? At the age of 17 he started writing. And this features his one of most popular characters, Rusty. Second one, The Blue Umbrella. And this has been converted into a movie also, The Blue Umbrella. And you know, this movie won National Award for Best Children's Film. Third one, A Flight of Pigeons. And this also has been converted into a movie named Junoon. Fourth one, Delhi's Not Far. Fifth one, Rusty. And you know, he has written stories featuring this character Rusty in almost 8 of his books. The Rusty stories have been adapted into a Doordarshan TV series, Ek Tha Rusty. I really love Ruskin Bond. In fact, my favorite books are The Room on the Roof, The Blue Umbrella, A Little Book of Friendship. And you know, at this time of coronavirus, during this pandemic, what you really need the most? Only the book of Ruskin Bond to de-stress yourself. Nothing else you need. So, whenever you get time for yourself, do read the books of Ruskin Bond. You will really fall in love with his way of writing. Let's start with the worksheet number 41 of class 10th.
Yes, students, let's start with the worksheet number 41. Read the following extract and answer the questions that follow. This extract is from chapter 2, The Thief Story by Ruskin Bond, from your book Footprints Without Feet. This story has been written by Ruskin Bond. There is a small time thief who befriends, means become friends with a struggling author in the plans of making a steal, means to rob him. Anil, the struggling author. Struggling author means who has not established yet completely, who is struggling really hard to become an author. Anil, the struggling author, is a good fellow, means a very good person by heart, who wants to teach Hari Singh. Hari Singh is the name of a thief, how to read and write. Gradually, Anil develops trust in Hari Singh. But Hari Singh has been waiting for the right moment to make a killing by doing what he is best at. And he is best at stealing because he is a thief. I was still a thief when I met Anil. And though only 15 is his age. I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Means fairly successful at what? Fairly successful hand at stealing. He was quite experienced in stealing. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25. Now, age of Hari Singh 15, age of Anil 25. A tall, lean fellow, means thin, not a fat one. And he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. You look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Now, what Hari Singh did was, he started doing flattery. A little flattery helps in making friends because he wanted Anil to be his friend. What is your name? Hari Singh. Anil asked him, what is your name? He said, Hari Singh. I lied because thieves never tell their real names. So he lied. I took a new name every month. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. That kept him ahead of the police and his former employers. I didn't have much to say because, in order to hide his identity as a thief, he was always keeping new names. This time he kept his name Hari Singh. Anil walked away and I followed casually. I gave him my most appealing smile, means very appealing, pleasant one. I want to work for you, I said. Then Anil replied, I can't pay you because he was a struggling author. How can he pay? I thought that over for a minute. I asked, can you feed me? Means Hari Singh asked Anil, can you provide me food to eat? Then Anil asked him, can you cook? If you can cook, then I will provide you food. And then Hari Singh replied, I can cook. He lied again and again. See, if you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. This was the answer of Anil. He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop, but the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Means he took him to his room and then Hari Singh cooked that night. He cooked the food, but the food was so terrible, means it was so tasteless that Anil gave it to a stray dog. Stray means the dogs which we see every day that they are moving aimlessly on the roads. They are stray dogs. And then later he patted me on the head. Pat means to give a quick touch as a pat on head he gave and said never mind, he would teach me to cook. Anil offered Hari that he would teach him to cook. He also taught me to write my name and then also said he would soon teach me how to write whole sentences and to add numbers. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. Because he was a kind of supportive person. Anil was a kind of supportive person, very kind man, and he was not even scolding him for any wrong work, whatever he was doing. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee. Anil was giving money to him to buy something, like groceries or other household items. And Hari used to steal approx a rupee every day from that money. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he didn't seem to mind because Anil didn't, scold him for any whatever wrong work he was doing. Anil made money by fits and starts. Fits and start means with breaks. He was, means not happening continuously. He was able to make money with breaks as he was a struggling author. It seems he wrote for magazines. All these are from the words of Hari Singh. Hari Singh is the speaker over here. He wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. A strange way to make a living because he was a thief and Anil was an educated person and he was trying to have money, with an honest act. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes, saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. Anil made money by selling a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. Means Anil kept the money under the mattress where he used to sleep, and I had been working for Anil for almost a month. It had been a month working over there, and apart from cheating on the shopping, means approx a rupee every day, had not done anything in my line of work. Means he was not able to make much money. So he is saying this thing. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Who? Anil was the most trusting person Hari Singh had ever met. And that is why it was difficult to rob him, because it is really difficult to rob, to do some kind of fraud with the person who shows a kind of belief in you, Well, it's time I did some real work. Now he is reminding himself, now is the time I should, start stealing. I should steal him and move from here. I told myself I am out of practice because it's been a month or more and he didn't do any that kind of act, means a kind of stealing thing. And that's why he says that I am getting out of practice. And if I don't take the money, even if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. Anil will only waste it on his friends, and after all he doesn't even pay me. Now he is reminded of that very thing, that he is not even paying him the money of doing work for him. Alright, now let's come to the questions. Let's start with the questions. Who is the speaker? Who is he trying to flatter? Speaker is Hari Singh. Who is he trying to flatter? He is trying to flatter Anil. Number 2. What is he a fairly successful hand at? He is a fairly successful hand at stealing. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? He doesn't get anything in the form of pay. Anil feeds him for his cooking. Hari makes some money from buying the supplies which Anil knows and also ignores. Fine. This is your third answer. Now let's come to the fourth one. Did Hari like working for Anil? Yes. Hari liked working for Anil. Now we have to give reasons. That means at least 2 reasons you have to give. And the reasons are, first one you can write as he was teaching him how to write. Anil was teaching Hari how to write. And the second reason you can give is he was very supportive. Who? Anil was a very supportive person, because instead of scolding him for making a tasteless food, he patted him and said that he would teach him how to cook. Right? And then, what real work is the speaker talking about in the last paragraph? See over here, you can see, I did some real work. Now the real work he is talking about is the act of stealing. Why does the speaker say I am out of practice? The speaker says this, that I am out of practice, because it's been a month or more that he didn't do any stealing kind of act. Now, 7th one, find the antonym of A. Criticism. Antonym means opposite word of criticism, and that is flattery. Friends. Opposite word, antonym of friends is enemies. Find the synonym of means the same meaning. Word carrying the same meaning. Relaxed means easygoing. Alluring means appealing. Find the meaning of the idiom by fits and starts and use it in a sentence. Now I have already told you, by fits and starts means with breaks. Something which is not happening continuously. Like she speaks in fits and starts. You can make your own sentence, right? Now come to the next one. 10th question. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? First of all, you have to answer this thing as, yes or no mode. Yes, I have met a person like Hari Singh. Or you can write, no, I haven't met a person like Hari Singh. Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? Now you have to think or imagine those very circumstances which can really change the person, which can really turn a 15-year-old boy into a robber, into a thief, into a kind of criminal for the society. Discuss with your friend, with your partner over the phone and write. Now you can imagine any sort of circumstances and write in this. I am just providing you with some of the hints, like he didn't have chance to get education and that's why he was doing these sort of things. Or he was born into a poor family and then suddenly he fell into a bad company in early childhood and left home. Or you can write circumstances like he had nobody exactly to teach him the value of good character. Now you can make your own answer. I have provided you with the hints. Alright. I hope each and every question of the worksheet is clear to you. All the best, students. Bye-bye.